Welcome back to Jewel in the Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Remember, you can always subscribe and become a part of this growing, beautiful community. And for my returning supporters, welcome. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you're all doing fine. But guess what, guys? I'm so excited. I was challenged by a YouTuber, House of York, to make a 5-minute breakfast challenge, and I'm here, guys. I'm up to it. That's my girl, and I have to take her up on the challenge. So guys, you want to come over and I'll show you what I'll be making. As I said, I'm getting ready for work and I'm rushing out of here right now. So I'm going to make this breakfast and I'm going to take it with me to work. So here it is. I have 2 eggs here, which I'm going to be making an egg omelette with some diced tomato, some cheese, some Guatemala, the one that I homemade. I made it my own 2 hands. And that's what we're going to be making, guys. So I'm going to set my timer, and you're going to watch me do it. I know, 5 minutes. Do you really believe I can do that in 5 minutes? Me, myself, I don't even believe it. So let's do it, guys. So here, guys, here is my timer. 5 minutes, guys. So we're gonna go start now. So let me turn my stove on. Water for, oh my God, you know I'm nervous. Okay. So I'm beating my egg. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Oh my God, I can't even open my white pepper here. You know how nervous. A little bit, a half and half. Small amount. That's for my tea. I don't use salt in my thing. I'm going to put some grease my skillet. I want this thing to slide off. In the garbage. If I'm nervous. Oh my God, my tea. Come on, egg, come on, egg, come on, egg, come on, I gotta have to do this. So I put my tomato on. I'm gonna put my Guatemala there. Oh my God, this thing gonna be nice. You wanna try this, guys. Add some cheese to it. How much minute I have, guys? How much minute? Oh my God, it's not. You know what, guys? I'm my food and I'm gonna touch it. See there? Egg is almost ready. My tea water is boiled. I'm gonna add water to my tea. I'm gonna drink a lot of tea, and this is a very big cup. I'm gonna add some half and half to it. That's my tea. Let me get this egg going because it's ready. Egg is ready. Wish me luck right now. How much time I have? How much time? I don't know. Can't see how much time.
2 minutes and 13 seconds.
Wish me luck right now. How much time I have? How much time? I don't know. Can't see how much time.
2 minutes and 13 seconds.
Oh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I need to get this thing off here. Oh my, it's broken. Okay. Some Guatemala and top. Clean up in the meanwhile to you, okay? Some cheese and the top. Oh my God, some pepper here, guys. I have some tomato. And I have to clean up. I can't serve my guests in a dirty plate. If you know me well, and I have to turn my fat oils off. Breakfast is served, and you have time to dash it up like that. You have your fruits on the side, and I'm cleaning. Good, let me clean up. Still have time, and this is my tea. My breakfast is ready. How much time is it?
You have 48 seconds.
I still have 47 seconds. I did it! Can you beat that? Can you beat that? Can you beat that? Can you beat that? What are you going to do about this House of York? I did it! Hey, come guys, show them. This is my tea. My tea bag with my milk. And look at my beautiful breakfast, guy. Can you beat that? Wait, let's fix it. We have time to fix it. We have time to... The clock didn't go off yet?
No, 8 seconds.
I could make another breakfast. Wow, come on, Joel. You did. Any clean up here? Clean up. Hands down. So now, guys, I'm thinking, who am I going to challenge to do this 5 minutes breakfast? So let me think. So I am thinking, who am I going to pass this challenge on to? Let me think. So I want to challenge Kia from Kia's Lifestyle and Shane and the family from Shane and the family, and also Life with Susan and Kids. So guys, I'll be leaving the link below so you can also go and check them out. Thank you so much for staying up with me, and remember to cook with love, stay healthy, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.